In this video, we're going to be hiring people. Roll the intro. Hey, what's up guys, Val here from PitchGround. Today we're going to talk about HR. Now, when it comes to recruitment, it is always hard to find real McCoy to fill a position. And really often the process of searching the right candidate turns into a nightmare, because you need to spend an incredible amount of energy to send all those job postings to a whole bunch of job websites. Then what you want to do is carefully go through each resume and each application, filter candidates, approve or reject them, write back, assign a test task, receive a result and pass it to the person who is looking for that superhero, get the feedback. You know where it goes. It's not even the halfway there. Now imagine there's a team of you and you're working for a company with more than 1,000 employees. Now the problem is that you're so much focused on a process to keep things organized, but not on people you work with. I mean your candidates and your clients if you are an agency. Oh yeah, if you are an agency, your reputation is at stake too. Again, I bet you wish to have all this grunt work automated. And here comes Recruiteze, a fantastic app that helps you keep all recruitment work nice and clean. Enough said, let's get to it. So we are here and you can see from the very beginning how simple the interface is. Here's your dashboard, you can see a quick overview what's going on with your recruiting process. Now what we want to do is create a job posting. Go here to job requisitions and post job. Once you have filled all those fields and forms and click Save and Publish, you will see a tab where you can choose where your vacancy will be posted. It can be a company's career page and the most popular job websites like CareerJet, Facebook, Glassdoor, Google, Indeed, Jobble, and so on and so forth. We'll leave it unchecked since it's not a real job and hit Save. Now if we jump to our careers page, we can see now it's there. Let's just go ahead and apply. I'll select a dummy resume and fill all those real quick. Now you can check your email just to make sure you have sent your application. Now let's go back to Recruiteze, and what we see here is that now we have one new application. Wow, so fast. Who's this guy? Let's see. Perfect, you can see all the information about the guy, you can view his CV, add notes and tasks, do a lot of things, and hire this superhero right away. Let's just quickly congratulate the guy. And just in a few seconds he will receive an email. This is how you can easily automate your recruitment process with Recruiteze. That's it for today, I'll see you guys later.